What are you going to do?
I'm gonna make the cake.
Did I tell you can make a cake?
Yes. I'm gonna get 3 eggs and
Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
How old are you?
3. That's all. Let's mix it now. Oh, let's make. Whoa, it's getting yellow. Whoa.
So here we go on now. Stop jump. Wait in the stop jump now. Here we go on now. I go give you a haircut now. You ready for a haircut?
No.
Well, when I'm not ready, I go get a haircut.
And I go wait for the cake.
Yeah, I go wait till the cake ready, but I go get a haircut in the meantime.
It's my party and I play if I want to, cry if I want to, cry.
Go. Nah, bring a gun no baba, you see it.
You okay, birthday boy?
No.
What's
I'm
wrong?
not the birthday boy.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
But it's your birthday.
Alright, so present time now.
What?
Jamir, did we show them a finished product of your cake?
My cake is ready.
I can go look at your cake. Real fast, come.
Oh, it's
Awesome.
no, it's finished.
Whoa. The cake is ready?
Put this right here.
Oh, let me see that.
Put this right here.
Oh, that's your birthday number. That's tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll do that.
Okay.
Okay?
Let me eat this.
What was that?
Put icing on it, please.
And put icing on it.
Yeah.
Jamie, see I rub your eye. Me tired, you tired. Just tell everybody, say thank you for watching. Say, and big up your boss for making very own birthday cake. Is it? Good job, Jamir. High five. High five. High five. Boy, you vex. Alright, come up put on the ice in it. Damn backside, boy. You determined, my love? Huh?
Yeah.
You're determined, so come on. You can't kill your determination. Come. I'm up me for you. Come here. Okay. So because you're full of determination, I admire that. So I go help you. There you go. You can finish. Very determined chap. You know what you want in a life, so big up yourself for that. Let me see. This one.
Okay.
I'm gonna use that one, yeah.
Okay.
Watch your fingers.
No, this is. I like.
I see you want a cake. So what are you doing now?
I put an icing on it.
You're
All
putting
done.
icing all over it?
Yes.
Okay. Who taught you how to do this?
My mom.
It's me!
No. It's not you that.
Who taught you how to do this?
Mommy. Yes, mommy.
Yo! You say who taught you to do this?
Mommy.
Me, Virgin.
No.
Yeah.
You didn't do it.
So yo, the camera battery dead all ago. Believe it or not, I bought an ice cream cake. Whoa, Jamir.
Ooh.
Tired?
Yes, so much. Yes, I almost tired soon.
You're almost tired soon?
Yes, I want to play this.
Whoa, hold on, boy. Almost your birthday, boy. 4 more minutes to your birthday. 4 more minutes to your birthday.
I put all the flour on my cake.
Yo, your icing cake nicey. Alright, we're not gonna light this up until 2:10 a.m.
Gonna eat it tomorrow, sun come out.
No, you're gonna eat it right now because it's your birthday, so you can eat cake. I don't care how late it is. You can eat a slice of cake right now. You want a slice?
Yes.
Hold on. Not yet. Backside, my boss. Touch me taste so you can get a slice. I got. Wait, not cut it. I'm gonna put the candle first. I'm gonna put the candle first. Candles, 4. So because I'm telling you your birthday, you went ahead and you start eat the whole icing. And this you call make use of the opportunity. Now sit here. All this hot food.
Yes.
Good job. So we're gonna put 4 candles. Push it down. Yeah. Not too far. No, that's too deep in there, man. Put it out. Yeah, like that. So 4 candles, okay?
What's a candle?
4, just 4, because you're 4 years old. How much is that? 1 more. Good job. No more. Take out it. Oh, it's 2:10 a.m. January 25th. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jamir. 4 years ago you born. This a minute, time and the hour.
Let's put the candle on it.
4 years ago. Something happened.
Like a baby. And you're saying goo goo gaga.
And something told him 4 years ago.
I'm not a lady.
Girl, he's a baby. Girl, he's a baby. My baby just born. Oh God. You're a baby.
Oh my god, it's a baby, come here.
Can't get bigger than say man baby. Yes, say goo goo gaga. Say goo goo gaga. Yo, wait, you know? Remember when they born in the mind? That's why I hold the one and I clean up the place with one hand. I'm going to get big over that as baby. Don't run. Easy, boy. Jesus, come on. Easy. Ready for cut the cake now? Cover your mouth. You know the thing about it, man.
No, I'm gonna put the candle on it.
Whoa.
1. Can you count with me?
1,
2. 1. 3. What's next?
4.
Happy birthday to you.
Is that my slice?
No,
No,
birthday boy
this
gets his
was
slice
mine.
first.
That's yours?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get your slice now.
Alright.
Good job, buddy.
For me.
This is yours, yeah.
Okay. Put on my plate.
There you go.
Thank you.
Backside, my son. Done big man. Nice. Whoa. Whoa, no. Boast like a chink. Boss, can I get full up your mouth? You like it? Yo, you made this in a virgin. Could a big slice of cake? Boy, you know, easy, no daddy. Yeah, don't stop up on the couch, man. Eh?
I almost mommy.
Good job. Happy birthday again, my boss. Bye.
Bye.
Saying another dinner for later. But know you fast girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.